Alright, listen up. Are you ready for this? This is gonna blow your mind. I'm talking about the VeChain blockchain platform, yo. A trust-free way to handle all your products and your info for businesses, enterprises, and organizations. And it also empowers customers through exciting innovations. You say, what? How much can one platform do? Allow me to explain all the ways VeChain can help you. First up, getting stuff all tagged up. QR codes, RFID, NFC, and BIOT. Giving every product a unique identity. Tracking every step of the supply chain thoroughly. Making sure products are produced and handled properly. Helping businesses maintain standards and quality. Next up, with blockchain technology. Storing all the data VeChain gathers is easy. No need to trust centralized administrators. Records are distributed to multiple ledgers. Efficient, permanent, stable, verifiable. The power of blockchain tech is undeniable. Now put your hands up for AI technology. Process all the data that you've gathered real quickly. Tagging this, tracking this, analyzing this, letting you make well-informed decisions based on all of this. Enemy of inauthenticity, making finding genuine products real easy. Using your phone, you can scan the chip, and on the blockchain you can register your ownership. Question, what about tracking people and other entities? Funny you should ask, because recently VeChain just launched a new dApp called VVID. By going through the process known as KYC, you're given your own digital identity to easily approve you for a loan or investment, or give you proper credit when you upload content. Here's a little something that'll make you clap. VeChain is also a platform for decentralized apps. With accurate info on products, people, and data, you can create apps and tools to change lives for the better. And if you want funding, no need to squirm. VeChain lets you win ICOs, yes, it's confirmed. With a huge growing list of impressive partners, VeChain's value can be grasped by a kindergartner. There's D&B geoclassification giant, PricewaterhouseCoopers with the global clients. We've got Kuehne Nagel in the world of logistics. There are so many more, my mind's going ballistic. But I can't let you go without letting it slip. VeChain has national level Chinese government partnerships. For more information, if you're interested, visit VeChain.com. We're just getting started.